Well, he throws hard, and that's important because on this team last year out of the bullpen, basically no one threw hard. With Edwin Diaz gone, basically no one in the entire bullpen threw hard. Lopez is a guy with that two-seamer, can run it up to the upper 90s, and you see it there. Mets relievers last year, this stat shocked me when I first saw it, threw 4 pitches above 97 miles an hour, talking 98 or higher. Compared that to the Phillies, almost 1,200 pitches. This is something the Mets desperately needed, and they have been chasing velocity with some of these minor league signings they've had over the past couple of weeks. But when David Stearns was asked about it this week, he said velocity is not the be-all, end-all. He does want that in his bullpen, but really he wants a diversity of arms. It's okay if you have somebody who's throwing 90, if you also have somebody out there who's throwing 98, 99. He wants guys with different arm slots. You've seen the Rays use that to great success in recent years. Maybe a couple left-handed options, so just different looks to give hitters late.
You know, looking at that board, odd to see the Mets finally ahead of the Braves in something.